myself closer. Hello guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you see that. That's my computer. It's my home computer from Chrome. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe for Car Driving Part 4. Right now, just watching Car Driving Part 3. I'm not sure if we can zoom in. Where's this actual camera? Let's see. Oh. As you guys can see, so this video is going to be a little short. I know it's all messy in here. It's my sister's room. And don't forget to like and subscribe for Car Driving Part 4 and 5. Part 4, don't forget to like and subscribe. But Part 5 is coming soon. Well, I'm still working on Car Driving Part 4. When we get to 15 subscribers and let's say about 5,000 likes, we will make a Car Driving Part 4. What y'all guys are gonna probably wait for. Car Driving Part 3 is right there. I know it's 5 minutes. Car Driving Part 4 is gonna be about 15 minutes. I just like to play that game. Now, you can only download it maybe in the App Store. Ow, 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 don't. Yeah, that's inappropriate. Don't look at that at all. And if you saw that, skip a little bit to 2 minutes and 6 seconds. So today's going to be a little short. Nothing's going to really happen. And bye.